to my channel. I am Jen from Flip Family, and today I'm going to share with you another Instapot recipe. And today I'm using the Filipino Instapot cookbook. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So like I mentioned, I'm using the Filipino Instapot cookbook, which you can find on Amazon and get that delivered. Today I'm going to share how to make beefsteak. So beefsteak is beef with onions, and I never knew you can make it in the Instapot, and today I'm trying to make it, and it's super easy. So the first thing you're going to do is cut up your meat. I'm using a skirt steak and cutting it into thin slices, and then I'm going to make the marinade. So you're going to use about a cup of soy sauce. Here I'm using coconut aminos, a 1/4 cup of calamansi, which is a Filipino citrus, and then a cup of water because you need a little more liquid in the Instant Pot. Now you're going to put about 2 spoonfuls of minced garlic and then some pepper. Now you're just going to do a quick mix of this. Oh, oops, not yet. You are going to actually put 3 bay leaves because that just gives it more flavor. And now you're going to mix it. You're going to combine all the ingredients together. And then once that has been combined, you want to give it a taste to see what else it needs. So here it needs more soy sauce. So here I'm putting a little bit more coconut aminos and then continue to mix it until I like it. Now that it's done, I'm going to pour this marinade into the steak. And then you can marinate this for 30 minutes or overnight or whenever you're ready to cook this. Give it a good mix and then put saran wrap and then let it marinate. Next, you're going to pretty much just dump all of this into the Instant Pot. That easy. Can you comment below and give me a hands up? Yeah, look how easy this is to make. So I'm going to set this for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is going to cook very quick since we cut the meat very thin. While my beef is cooking, I am going to slice my onions into the circular shape. So you're just going to dice it and then just pop it out. So once that's ready to go, you're going to dump it into your Instant Pot. So now I set it to saute mode and then add my onions and give it a quick mix and let everything saute, and then the marinade, the sauce will kind of thicken while it sautés, and you just want to mix it till everything is combined and that the onions are translucent and cooked basically. And that's basically it. This is the easiest Filipino beefsteak I have ever made, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So comment below. I'd love to know what is your favorite Instant Pot recipe. How easy was that? And surprisingly, the beef has stayed tender, and we've been eating it all week, and it still tastes the same. And I like to use a little bit of sauce over rice, and also you can use veggies as well. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy recipes. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video.